We are making two dishes. One is palak ka saag that goes as an accompaniment, and second one is misi roti which goes as a Indian bread. Now in the palak ka saag, we have taken blanched palak. You know how the blanching is done. So blanched and finely chopped palak. Then we use a combination of white butter and yellow butter. Okay. Then white butter commonly known as makhan. Then it is ginger julienne and green chilies which are slate, and the salt. So we will go to the range and we will start with the palak ka saag. Just before that, I am just going to show you the ingredients for the misi roti. Now in the misi roti, it is maida, okay, that is the refined flour, and besan. The quantity, the proportion of besan to maida is, if you take 1 kilo of maida, you take 250 grams of besan. Then it is finely chopped onions. Then it is palak, that is finely chopped palak which is cleaned and washed and finely chopped. Then it is red chili powder and turmeric, salt and little oil. Okay, I will show you the dough after we are done with the palak ka saag. I am adding a combination of butter, that is the yellow butter, and the white butter. This gives a beautiful blend for making the palak ka saag. Keep it on a high flame till the butter melts, and then the things go in at one go. Butter doesn't take much time for getting melted. Now I am adding onions, sliced chilies, and ginger julienne. We are going to saute. We are not going to brown anything. This is just saute. And also one more thing. When you are adding salt to this, you make sure that you add less because we already have salt in the yellow butter. This butter and white butter along with onion and ginger gives a beautiful flavor. Another thing is you can add, if you want, that is optional, chopped garlic in this recipe, but I am not adding. It is optional. Some people don't even add onions. After this is done, I am adding the palak. And saute this. And okay. Little salt. As I told you, I am not going to add more salt. Mix it. You just have to toss the palak in the butter and white. Palak ka saag is done. Taking maida, adding besan, make a well, add the onions and the salt, red chili powder, turmeric, mix well. This dough we cannot keep it. Immediately we have to add the palak and make the dough, and immediately we have to make the roti. Some people even in the chopped onions they add salt and spices, that is red chili powder and turmeric, and then they keep it for some time and then they add palak. So what happens is little oil, and what happens is the onions give out water, and you can make the dough. Any whichever way is okay, no problem. Always take water on your hand. So as I told you rightly, if it is more, you can just remove it.
One.
Dough is done, but I feel that the dough has become little more soft because of the ingredients which are there in the dough. So you can take little flour, sprinkle it and knead it. Don't knead too much because there is no more moisture in the form of vegetables, so it might make the dough little sticky. Clean a table with the dough itself, and immediately you are going to cut the dough and start with the misi roti. You are not going to rest the dough. When you all will make also, you are going to start immediately. So after my pedhas are done, what immediately I am going to do is, I am going to keep the tawa on the flame. So till I make my misi roti, the tawa gets heated. So we will start with the misi roti. Very lightly you are going to roll. The indication that your roti is good and it is getting done is, it moves nicely on the table or the wooden platform where you are rolling it. This roti is not a very flat roti. It is a thick roti. So I am putting it on the flame. You can make these rotis of your palm size. Very freshly made, very nice, and immediately ready to eat. You can use vanaspati for baking the roti. You can use oil. Since I have white butter, I will be using white butter. Alright, I am flipping the roti. After it gets baked from one side, then you are going to apply ghee or fat or butter on that side. Make sure that it gets baked from one side. ये रोटी थोड़ा मोटा होता है, तो इसके लिए ना थोड़ा सा दबा दबा के आपको कुक करना पड़ता है. It should get properly baked. Then turn it. आप अगर ज़्यादा पतला बनाओगे तो this will form into a papad. Every time when you are making the other roti, you have to wipe the tawa and then you are going to put the another roti. Increase the tawa a little bit. Bake it on one side, then turn and then apply the ghee. Ghee or white butter. I am putting white butter. Turn it and put the white butter This white butter is the butter which is made at home. That is the makhan, loni. Commonly we turn it. And your misi roti is ready. We are going to present the palak. Chili we already have, and with a blob of butter. So this is palak ka saag and the misi roti.